Hi there, my name is Jay with Server Matter and with CompuMatter, and this is going to be a very quick video, perhaps the shortest one I've ever made. Today I was at a client's office that was using ZFS and had 2 drives out of 5 in a failed state offline. And fortunately everything went smoothly. I was able to replace those 2 drives and without losing any of their data, and their servers functioning wonderfully. But I kept on having to manually figure out which serial number went for which drive, which device name went to which drive that was associated with zpool status, so I could swap these disks out. And so I took it upon myself, along with ChatGPT, through an iterative process to come out with a script that puts zpool status and the serial numbers and device locations all in the same script. So let me show you how it works. Okay, to start with, I am just going to run zpool status so you can get an idea of how that looks by itself. It shows you the different pools, the serial, RAID device mapped to. In this case, I'm mapping them to partitions, so that's what I see here. But that's it. But if I wanted to find out what this went to, I would have to do an LSL dev disk by ID, and then the rest of that, and then it would show me, that's SDC1. That'll give me some of the information I need. I still don't have the actual serial number of the disk, unless it so happens that this is the serial number, which it's not always. Sometimes the label says one thing, the operating system says another. Okay, let's start with a clean slate, and we'll go ahead and run our script, which is smdisks zpool status. Now, right away, one of the advantages is it gets a list of the pools that you have on this device and allows you to choose just one of them to look at, or number 4 for all pools. In this case, I'll choose all 4. And here are the results. So for the boot pool, it shows us they are built on the 2 NVMEs. There's 0 and there's 1. It gives us the serial number for each one of them and shows us our status. Coming down to the data pool, we find the same type of arrangement. We see this is SDC, SDB1, and so on, the actual serial numbers of the drive themselves, and of course the device ID information over here to the left of it. And the same thing with the R pool, which of course in this case is built on the very same 2 NVMEs, except this one on partition 3, where these are on partition 2, but both using the same drives. So this eliminates the need to go back and forth many times trying to find what's the serial number associated with the drive, what's the device path associated with a drive. Well, that's it. I hope that the oatmeal stuck in my throat. I hope this script helps you as much as I know that it's going to help me anytime you're in one of those tense situations where you need to get your head around all the disks on that server so that you can make the right decisions. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.